Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. See, today behalf of Jovis channel, I'm going to tell you about the use of the mask, because there are so many people they are using wrong way or not the proper mask. This is the mask which you see looks very beautiful, and nowadays people they are using it, and it is made of different cloths, colors, beautiful, especially ladies putting different colors like a fashion. But keep it in the mind, this is useless. This is useless, and I will prove it. And here, this is the mask. It is called surgical mask. Okay, look, surgical mask. And this mask is called N95. Okay, so first I will tell you why it is useless. Yes, Jovi, through your channel I want to tell the people that why it is useless. Okay, first do one thing, put little water here. Okay, yeah, leave it. See, this water, it is from the camera you can see it is a stratum sort.
Water is dripping.
Yeah, and after few seconds you will see it start dripping here water. Okay, you can see.
Yeah, water is dripping.
Yeah, it is dripping here. So why I say give me this ball. Okay, so why I said it is useless, because virus, it is very tiny and very it can penetrate, it can come inside and go outside. So this is useless. It is only good for dust or smoke or some like this thing, but for COVID and for other infected thing, that mask is not good. And I told you before, this is surgical mask. It has 3 plies. Okay, and now we'll do the same procedure to see. Okay, you put just some water here. Okay, look, now we are waiting for the time. See, it is moving here, and it looks even moving here and there. Dry. See, no water is coming out.
It's dry, totally dry.
Okay, even I will show you. See, after this you can feel it's only little. Look, nothing. So that's why I said that mask was useless. This is useful, so you should use this mask for your prevention, for your beloved one, for yourself and for others. So you will not be the source to take infection or give your infection to others. And this is used for protection. And this is N95. N95 we are using only the time of when we know we are in the infected area or with the infected people. So that time you should use this mask. It will protect you from the infected person. Okay, you can put little water here even. See,
It's dry.
okay, even some people they feel that it's like a hole. These are not hole, it is only just the sheet there. It will help you to breathe nicely, but it's not coming out or not going in. So this from small demo we want to give awareness for everybody that people which they are using and in the market and shops like this masks are used, which is, and they are telling no, it is more economical and we can wash and this. Yes, you can wash, but there is no use. Yes, of course, if there is, you are using it for the dust or some other purposes, it's okay. But protect from the COVID, no. So, for your protection and for others, use this surgical mask. And in infected place or with the infected person, N95. Okay, so Jovi, I think from your channel, we have given this awareness to the people and they will understand. And the other thing I want to tell you about the COVID. There are many stories in the social media. It is fake, it is nothing, and drink this, eat this, and this herb, this, and you will be protected, and this. No, my dear, it's all fake and wrong. In fact, there is virus. We see, being a health worker, I'm telling you, people, they are dying with this, but which they are taking good care. They are saved. And you have to maintain the social distancing, washing hand if you are at home with soap and water, the best thing. Otherwise, keep sanitizer with you when you are out. Time to time, clean your hand. Don't touch to your face and eyes. And always, when you are coming home, again, wash it with soap and water. This is your life. This is your beloved's life. This is the other's life. So it's not a game. Especially when you are going outside for the work, in the market, and you are touching the things, you don't know who's having this. But keeping social distancing and using proper care, you can save yourself. Other thing, I encourage everybody to take vaccine. There are also many stories. This vaccine is not good. They are killing. They are putting a chip and they want to control. This is all nonsense. What I say? It is all nonsense. First, save and protect yourself by keeping social distancing, using mask, and keep your places and hands especially always clean well. And second thing, take vaccine. Whatever and wherever you are, which country. I will not say any name of the vaccine. At least you are saving yourself. The other thing, everything in God's hand. Pray for it, and I hope that this small demo and small few lines will help you and help others and your beloved one. One thing more, that if you like it, please share, subscribe this channel, like it, and if you want to help others, I don't mind if you share with so many, because we want that this message should reach to everyone. There is no specific person, not only Filipino or any nationality or any group or any, it should reach to everyone. So please share it. It will be a very fruitful and good for everybody. And have a good time. Stay blessed and safe. Okay, bye.
Thank you.